G'day ladies and gentlemen, this video is about freedom. Freedom of speech is something that I've spoken about on this channel since its inception. And now more than ever, it is more important to protect it at all costs. The freedom of speech, the freedom of opinion, and the freedom to disagree is something that is being taken from us on a daily basis. This freedom is essential for me, for you, for publishers, for new media, old media. We all rely on this freedom to operate. More importantly, this is a freedom that we need to protect for our children and our future. There's been so many other people that have been silent, had their platforms taken away because of the truth. The fact of the matter remains that yes, this video is about Julian Assange, but it's about so much more. Just because your particular government is in right now, or you think that just because I'm a part of the right or I'm a part of the left, that we're going to be protected by this you don't know who will be in control in 20, 30, 40 years time. And that is why the precedents that are set right now are so fucking important. There is a growing population, and this is a great thing, that are so sick and tired of old shit legacy media. They know they are full of shit. They know they are bought. They know they lie. We as citizens of the world deserve the truth. We do. As terrifying as the truth may be. We deserve it. The truth will set us free. How else do we improve upon our society if we don't know all the facts? The truth is scary, but what's worse is believing so much in a lie that you live your entire life around it. In this video, we look at a man that many people have called a hero, a freedom fighter, a truth seeker, an investigative journalist, a fearless publisher, and an advocate for peace and justice. This video is about freedom. Freedom of speech is something that I've spoken about on this channel since its inception.
Look in the mirror and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things, never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years, save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.